Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will teach you how to create a YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell button to get notified on my upcoming videos. Let's get started. The first step to creating a YouTube channel is to first of all sign in to YouTube. Go to YouTube and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, create one. The second step of creating your YouTube account is, second of all, once signed in, click on your profile picture located at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you need to click on the Create Your Channel button. After that, you will get a little pop-up saying you need to name your channel. After that, put your name or a name for the channel, and that's it. You are now an official YouTuber. Well, first of all, before everything you start uploading your videos, first of all go to your YouTube studio. After that, go to your settings and channel and go to feature eligibility. And after that, go to intermediate features and put your phone number to verify and to get intermediate feature. This will help you in the future. Also, while you're here, customize your channel to your liking. From now on, you can now upload your content like YouTube video, posts, lives, streams, and many more. Well, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell button to get notified on my upcoming videos. And I hope your YouTube career goes well. And bye.